Hi there, welcome to my video on Awesome Trading Systems. You can find out a lot more about this if you go to awesometradingsystems.com. I'm going to show you some results of actual trading systems. These are real systems, and not only that, these are systems that you can trade. You can follow these systems. They have some pretty good results. They've been traded for a while, so you can see whether they are any good or not. And if you follow them, you'd probably get similar results to what you've seen. I mean, maybe not always, but what else have you got to go on? Blind faith, or actually try and follow something that's shown itself to have worked in the past. Um, so not only can you follow the systems yourself, you can even get them auto-traded for you. You can find out more if you sign up to my newsletter at awesometradingsystems.com. You can actually have all the trades placed for you. So let's just take a quick look at a few of the systems. We'll take a look at 5. This is the first one. You can see here, starting with $100,000. The grey line here is the S&P 500 index. So you can see how it's clearly outperformed that from the start of 2007. This system's been traded for just a bit over 4 years now. You can see in that time that balance has gone from 100,000 up to about 450,000 in just 4 years. It's not just doubled or tripled; it's more than quadrupled. So that's pretty good. You can see the months here, every month's performance during that time. There's only been a few losing months, not really that many. By far the majority of months are winning months. Okay, next system. This one hasn't been traded for quite as long, but it's still doing fairly well. Again, it's definitely outperformed the S&P 500. So these aren't just trading on the index and buying and holding and following a simple index. It's actually trading, and you can see the balance, the growth here. This is just from the start of 2010. It's got from 100,000 up to 300,000. So I know you might not have 100,000 to trade with. You might have just 10,000 or maybe $5,000 or pounds or whatever currency you trade in. But can you imagine your account balance in that time from in just less than a year and a half, going from say 10,000 for example up to 30,000? How would that change your life, and how would you feel about your trading future after that? Another system here. Now, by the way, I have blocked out the names of these systems. When you sign up at my page and get access to the site to find all of these systems, you'll find out the names of all the systems and how to trade them and how to follow them and so on. This is, look at that, 2009, not a single losing month since it started in March 2009. We did have 4 losing months, just very small losses throughout those months in 2010. Just the one so far for 2011, and it's doing okay. It started with 100,000 and now up to about 180, 190, almost 200,000. So it's doing okay. The fourth one, we've only had so far in about 14 months or so. We've only had 2 out of 14 months losing months. The rest have been pretty good winning months. You can see here, again, definitely outperforming the S&P 500 index, starting with 20,000 up now more than double. So that's almost a 250% increase there. Sorry, 100 over 100% increase anyway. Okay, pretty good growth. And the last system we'll take a quick look at here. Again, only started in 2010, but $10,000, and now up to about 15,000 or so. So that's about 50% increase. So there's some systems for you. If you liked any of those systems, that's a sample of only 5. Now, there's actually thousands of systems that you can get access to if you go to awesometradingsystems.com. Now, maybe even if only 1,000 out of the 10,000 are actually any good, still that's hundreds and hundreds of decent profitable systems that you can follow. You can even follow them on an auto-traded basis. Trades can be placed in your own live brokerage account for you for these systems. So if you're curious, take a look at my site, awesometradingsystems.com, and I'm sure you'll find a system there that you like, and it will definitely help you with your trading. Thanks very much for watching this video. Now please go to awesometradingsystems.com, where you can find hundreds and hundreds more of these great systems.